Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of timer on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Flow and you will enter. Here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Flow. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your